we go. So far, not too bad. Oh, we got somebody coming over here. Watch out, buddy. How you doing, bud? Oh, crap. Money. You're good. Get out the way, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. You're good.
I'm good.
Yep, you're good. He's fine. Look at that. Alright, guys. Made it to camp. Everything's set up. Got the fire going. Awning's out. Got the dog. Get a quick tour. Got the dude Joey up here. Well, I mean, that's pretty sick.
So night one, I think we're doing pretty good.
I think we're doing great out here. Getting chilly.
A little chilly.
Threw on the insulated.
Got the fire going now.
Got the fire going, all nice and toasty. What do you want to do for dinner tonight?
I think it's steaks.
I think steaks too, bro. Maybe a little baked potato.
Some baked potatoes in the coals.
Yeah, we could get that going.
Get that
And they'll be
going.
good. All right. We got some potatoes going on in the fire. About to cook up some steaks. Getting the grill all nice and shiny. Clean it up a little bit. Got some steaks right here. Got some for the dog. Slap your mama.
Should be good.
Should be bussin'. Doggy's chilling over here, kinda. He's very muddy. You gotta fix that. He's been a good boy. Really dark out. You wanna drop those in? You wanna drop yours in?
I'll drop mine in.
Fat side down first.
Ready?
That's what you want to hear, huh?
Here.
That's what you want to hear. All right, let's drop mine in too.
Flat side down.
Fat side down first. Let that render a little bit.
Just for a minute, and then ding.
Wait till it doesn't stick. So let it sit for a sec.
Steaks
Steak
the long way.
long way. Yeah.
That's good.
Get that fat
That's
around
a good
there.
bit of fat render right there.
Yes, sir. And just, oh, ooh,
Sexy.
ooh, man, that was good. Gonna put some of these on for the pup. All right, let's just. I think he'll be alright with 2 for tonight, huh? He'll be alright with that. He'll be alright with that. Oh, he's knocked out. Okay, buddy. Oh. Yeah. Those look
Looks great.
Those look ready. About ready to eat. Puppy is chilling. This one.
Good steer right there.
That's a pretty good sear. I mean, I ain't gonna complain about that. Ooh, look at that.
With the fat.
Ooh, yeah, with the rendered fat. That's the way to go.
What do you think about it?
Oh,
Alpha
yeah.
steaks looking good too.
Yeah, alpha steaks are looking nice. No seasoning on these for the pup. Probably easier if we had more tongs, but
Oh, no doubt.
Let them cool off. Oh, looks a little crispy, but I think it'll do.
I think it'll be just fine.
I think it'll be very. It's a little rare.
Maybe
Just a little bit more. It's a little rare.
a lot.
Those are probably done for the pup. Perfect eating for him.
You want to roll them
Eat
off?
them raw. Yeah, just take them off to the side. Put them on the cutting board. Potatoes are perfect.
I think
He's
they're
already
pretty
got
good.
his cooked up.
Oh, no doubt.
Oh my gosh. Take a look at that.
Oh, that's fire right there.
Gotta set up my plate. Well, there's the final masterpiece. Steak actually came out almost perfect.
Potatoes were great.
Joey's already there crushing it up. This is what it's all about. First bite. Yeah. Cheers.
Potatoes are harder than the steak.
Oh, wow. That did not last long. Now, I'm going to put this in a little food bowl for the pup right there. All right. You just make him a little bowl. Ooh. Take all this goodness right here. All right, buddy. Watch out, watch out. Go, good boy. He's munching on that. He loves a steak. All right, while he works away at that, got some cleaning up to do.
Fire's put out.
Fire's put out. All right, bro. You want this lantern?
Good night. You can keep it.
All right, man.
I got light.
Night, bro. Sleep tight.
Night.
See you in the morning. Joey's in bed. Everything's packed away. Show you guys the setup. Got a nice little sleeping pad there. Nice cool weather sleeping bag. Got the puppy back there. stove if it gets too cold. Probably won't need it, but we got the power station. Got the windows open so we get some ventilation through. And I'll probably open the back cab window too. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. He's ready to go. Had a long day. Good morning, everyone. Just woke up. Look what we got going on out here. It started snowing. Look at that. What a nice surprise to wake up to. Nice surprise for the morning. Didn't expect the snowfall until maybe tomorrow night. If it was even gonna snow at all, but this is pretty cool too. Check that out, guys. I'd say pretty epic so far. We got a couple other buddies coming later today. I hope they make it up that trail all right. It was pretty gnarly without any snow, so I hope they pop it in 4-wheel drive and they'll be able to make it up.
Honestly, maybe even 4-low.
Yeah, honestly, they might need to pop it into like low gear for that, just because it was pretty steep as well. But we're gonna start cooking up some breakfast here and start warming up because it's really cold. Got the fire started. Took a while, but it's going. Feeling toasty. Puffers is doing what he does. About to cook up some breakfast. Got some pancakes, bacon and sausage.
Bacon and
I mean, why not? Couple of sausage each. Could be good. Got the bacon on the grill. First, you put the bacon on the grill. Chef Joey, chefing it up. Ooh, that's gonna be good. I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna mix up the pancake batter. Also got some juice. Got some sausages to go with it. He's trying to get at it. You can have some later, buddy. All right. Give me a good breakfast. Try that. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's a nice pancake.
Sorry, but
Just a little bit. I couldn't measure it. Not bad, I'd say. Yeah. Big one. Hey. Honestly, oh, there goes an egg. Hey, at least we got the pancakes. 4 for flips. Sausage is going. Bacon. Been munching on it. Snacking a little bit. But apparently we got eggs. So
I forgot we bought this.
add that to the menu. I'm not gonna lie, it smells so good in here. Gotta get the puppy some food too. I'll make him a bowl in a second here. I just gotta warm up. Got a little fried egg action going on here this morning.
Ooh, oh. I mean, I don't want to say breakfast of champions, but
Breakfast of alphas.
breakfast of alphas. Put a little SMP on
As
that.
we're listening to Chapel Roan.
Ain't no issue with that. We love chaperone out here. Well, there's the final product, guys. It's about to be really good. Woo! Let's try this out. Put a little bit of the maple syrup on here. Alright, let's give this a try. Unzip the jacket. You did good, bro. Good job, man. That is delicious. Bit of bacon. Bit of that sausage. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, that's bussin'. Well, that did not last long. Taking the puppy for a little walk. Joey chilling back at the campsite watching the fire. The snow's actually coming down really hard. We were not expecting this. So, might continue into the next day, into tonight, into tomorrow. We'll see. Hey, come here, buddy. But, it's beautiful out here. No one else out here besides us. Alright guys, quick little update. Made an executive decision to move the entire setup this way. We were right here, but
Can't tell anymore.
yeah, you can't really tell, but when our buddies come, he'll be able to drive straight down here and should be able to stay here. Yesterday was too muddy, so we couldn't really stay there, but after all the snow, it's all frozen. Should be good, but took everything down, put it all back up. Chilling. Got a lot of snow out here. It's coming down. It's pretty cold, not gonna lie. But got the fire going. Just trying to. Snow's making it kind of hard. I don't know if you guys can see, but you can see each individual snowflake on my jacket. Look at that. Joey just flew up the drone, and
We got him on camera. There
we see our boys coming up the trail. How's he doing?
Looks like he's struggling.
You know, do you think they see the drone?
Nah.
That is awesome. We need that footage. Oh my gosh. How close are they? Oh, he's rolling now. That's the turn, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta go straight. Is that us?
That's us.
There they are. Yo, how was it? It wasn't too bad, right?
I got you wheeling on drone.
Dude, yeah, we caught you guys going up on the drone. He was like, dude, they should be here, and you flew it up.
The car control.
Yo, was good. Was good. Was good. I gotta say how it goes. What's up, bro?
Oh, he's sliding. Slide. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it.
Is he in 4 low? You better watch out. If he comes down that thing's bad. You can't stop him. Turn. Turn.
He's going straight to this tent.
He's sliding, bro. I think he's trying to back up straight into me.
everything.
Park
Park
it
right here.
back in here.
Right here.
Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop. Yeah. You should be good there. You can come back a little bit more if you want. Alright, should be good there.
No, you did not wear the
What's up, Alpha?
Yeah,
Hi. Oh, Alpha, bro.
Yo, what's good, bro? Yo, dude, that was fun.
I've never met you before.
We don't need more space. These guys are gonna probably set their tent right here.
Yeah, but there's campfires though.
Campfire's in there.
Oh, you
Wait,
one
I mean,
of them.
we have both, but it's warmer in there.
Yeah.
So
that's
warm.
warm.
Literally snapped.
You're so
It got
cute.
so cold, bro. All the boys pulled up. Yo. Got the fire pit going in
so
here.
fun.
About to cook up some food in a little bit. Chill out. Heat up. Woo. Guys, Chef Joey back at it again this trip.
They always have me fucking man in this station.
Hey, you gotta stop making your food so good if you don't want to cook.
You ready?
How's the boss? Boys are hungry.
What did Joey made last time was his steak and he
This dude trying to. This dude been trying to get after the food for so long. One more.
This ground is so slippery.
Yeah, it wasn't like this before.
Can you ketchup me up, bro?
Can you shut me? Shut me up. Yeah.
Can you hear me
Okay,
too?
that's it.
Thank you, brother. What, mayonnaise? No, that's good.
Oh shit.
You cooked it, Josh?
Check that.
I think I was drunk last night and slammed it too hard.
Yo, check that. Camp food. Oh.
It's like
Boys got their own little charcuterie board
It's
going.
almost impossible nowadays, bro.
How is it? It's pretty good, huh?
Yourself.
Look at that.
This shit good. Better than sex.
Okay. Leaving that in.
Sorry, I accidentally moved it back.
No, I like this one.
All the boys are up. Packing up camp a little bit. Trying to cook up some food. Get out of here. How's it looking? It's looking a little,
just cleaning. Delicious,
looking a little
bro.
sad, I'm not gonna lie.
Just come back in 5 minutes. Come back in 5 minutes.
Alright, I'll let you cook.
Aki's grill.
The fire's kinda going. Doing dishes. Got the solar panels out. Had to charge up some of the EcoFlows. Got pretty cold last night. How'd you feel?
I was alright, except for the fucking creature that was around our
Yeah, they
car.
said that they heard an animal out here, but I think he's lying. It got down to like, what did it get down to, like 10 degrees or something like that last night? Got down to the teens.
14 when I woke up, so it's probably colder.
Dude, do we have
Yeah.
grill?
Oh, we have butter.
Oh, where's the butter?
I was pretty tidy. I was pretty cozy in the back with the dog. Check the spread for breakfast.
No,
We got a couple packs of the sausage. He's ready to get to. We're just killing all the food that we didn't end up getting to last night or the night before. It's gonna be a stacked breakfast though. Let's heat it up. The bacon on the grill. Woo.
Check that out, guys. Look at that.
Ryan, save it. Ryan, save it.
Woo, check that out. A little bacon, egg, and cheese action. Steaks on for the puppy. Joey's about to make one. He's hungry. All the boys are eating. Food did not last long. There you go.
Oh yeah.
Bus?
It's been different right now.
Is shit frozen?
Alright. Everything's packed up. Ready to head out of here. Successful trip. So guys, drive safe. See you guys next time.